Hi, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a little cozy weekend of a little bit of food prep and some cleaning and tidying. So first thing I'm doing is making broth. I save my food scraps from the freezer, and about once a week I make a batch of broth. Now I'm cutting up this pineapple that really went a little too far. What a waste. I got about half of a pineapple out of that. And I saved the top, and I was going to try to root it, but unfortunately, the top was kind of jacked up too. But that's all the pineapple I got from it, so I could eat that. Next, I'm going through all of Evan's toys that are downstairs and just categorizing them and organizing them. He is with his dad this weekend, so we're trying to get that organized. I like when he comes home to have everything nice and tidy where he can find everything. And it's kind of like a way that I can still be with him even though I don't have him on the weekend. I can be with him and all his stuff. And I love setting him up for his playtime in a way that is organized and he can really focus. So that's all his Play-Doh and art stuff. So that was, a nice job that needed to get done. And I'm checking on my broth. It looks like after a couple hours, it is done. So I turned it off. And this is the living room, too. I organized his toys over here. And everything's nice and tidy. And he can find everything. And these are toys that I'm going to give away to Goodwill. So I wanted a snack, so I figured if I'm going to cut up vegetables, I might as well cut up some extras for food prep, and that was my hummus. So I used it all up, and these are the food scraps going in the freezer. And Kitty's watching the snow. It was a nice snowy, cozy day. I did a bunch of laundry, and the broth cooled off, so now I'm going to pour it into some jars. And, yeah, this is exciting stuff, guys. So, like I said, I make broth about once a week, and I just put it in jars, let the jars cool off, stick them in my fridge, and that will last me throughout the week for whatever recipes that I make. So I never really buy broth or even bouillon, because I don't really need to. Actually, you know what? I do buy bouillon in the summertime, because I don't always make broth in the summer, because it makes my house hot. So, there, I did my jars. I'm going to put those away and rinse off my jars and clean them up. So, whether you're vegan or not, I think it's really good to take, your weekends or any of your downtime to just get ready for the busier times of the week. So, this is one of those things I do. I also made a lasagna. Nice vegan lasagna. And there's my kitty. So, yeah, that's just a little glimpse into some of the things I might do on my day off. And that's what Kitty does on my day off. She just sleeps all day.